Hello everyone and welcome back to another interesting guidance session by SSB Crack Exams. This is regarding about checking your result for the AFCAT 2 2020. So in this particular session, I will be explaining to you about the AFCAT 2 2020, how to check the result of this particular examination. We already know that on 3rd, on 4th and on 5th of October 2020, this particular examination has been conducted in various lots. Around 6 lots have been allocated for the examinations, where all over India the candidates, the defense aspirants have given their examination in their particular slot and they are waiting for the results, and the results are out. So in this session I will be explaining to you about how to check your result, what is the cutoff marks for both AFCAT and all of those aspirants who have already given their EKT examination along with their AFCAT. I will also tell you what is the cutoff for the EKT, and so that you will also know on whether you were qualified for the EKT or not. And I will also mention to you about what branches will you be eligible about being qualified through AFCAT and EKT. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will go through this particular one. So the first, we have to always go through that particular website. The website wherein which we can check our result is afcat.cdac.in. I am again writing it here. It is afcat.cdac.in. This is the website. You have to log on to this particular website only. The moment you log on to this website, you will see the screen in this particular way. Okay, so after going through the screen, you can simply go through it. A candidate login is given here on towards your right, the top side. You have to click on that candidate login. It will show you whether it is AFCAT 2 2020 cycle or AFCAT 1 2020 cycle. Since this is AFCAT 2 2020 cycle, you will click on the first option, that is AFCAT 2 2020 cycle. After clicking on that, you will go through this particular page wherein which it will ask you your signing in details. You have to fill in your email ID, your password and the captcha that is mentioned here. After you filling up your email ID, password and captcha, you will get logged in into your particular screen, which will be the exam category. Here you will have 3 important tabs, wherein which the first tab mentioning about AFCAT, second tab mentioning about NCC and the third tab mentioning about metrology. So all of these 3 will be there. You have to simply scroll down so that you can check the 9th point mentioned in the first tab, the result and AFSB selection. Please click on that particular section. Once you click, you will get the result. It will open that particular screen. Your name will be mentioned, your registration number will be mentioned, the cutoff marks and the marks you scored also will be mentioned. Okay, so the cutoff marks for this particular year AFCAT 2 2020 is 155. Okay, 155 it is the cutoff marks for AFCAT, and the cutoff marks for EKT is 40. Okay, so engineering knowledge test is be given only for those candidates who are through engineering branches. So only those engineering category people will be writing the EKT. They have written the EKT and the cutoff for the EKT is 40. It is compulsory for you to qualify the AFCAT examination. Okay, if you get qualified through AFCAT, then you will be eligible for all the flying branches and the ground duty non-technical branches. Remember, what are those branches? They are the flying branches and the ground duty non-technical branches. For all the ground duty technical branches, it is compulsory that you also have to qualify the EKT. Okay, so if you don't qualify EKT, then and if you qualify AFCAT, then also you will be called for the SSB interview, for the AFSB interview, but you will be only considered for both flying and the ground duty non-technical branches. You will not be taken into category of Indian Air Force's technical branches, which include aeronautical engineer, mechanical and aeronautical engineer, electrical. So you will not be an aeronautical engineer in Indian Air Force. Okay, so none of the technical branches will be included. But if you qualify EKT and if you did not qualify AFCAT, then you will be not called for any SSB or any AFSB. Remember that it is compulsory that you have to qualify AFCAT, and if you qualify EKT, then you will also be considered for the ground duty technical branches. Okay, you will get a simple screen mentioning that about congratulations. So here I would also like to mention on behalf of the SSB Crack Exams that congratulations to each and every defense aspirant who has qualified this particular examinations. Your hard work has come in each and every effort that you kept, it got its result. Okay, and those who did not qualify, please do not feel sad about it. We already have launched our AFCAT courses. The complete courses for AFCAT are already live. You can go through the AFCAT module, wherein which we will be guiding you through all of it. Okay, after you clicking on the AFSB, like here you also have an option known as the AFSB selection process. The moment you click on it, you will get this particular screen where the status for the seat selection is still scrolling as of now, but by tomorrow you will be getting a complete details of the slots. Okay, so you will also get a message to your mobile phone mentioning that, dear candidate, the AFSB seat selection will be enabled from 21st October 11 a.m. to 25th October 11 a.m. Okay, so that means from tomorrow it will only be live only few days. So you have to log in to your account and you have to select your seat, and it will be given, the message will be sent by the AFCAT cell. So you have to select that particular option. Okay, so please remember here, whichever thing which is being scrolling down, you will get a status regarding that completely. The moment you select your seat selection processes, you should also fill in your bank details, then you will be enabled for your call letter. We already got many number of messages through our Instagram pages that a lot of member of people are followers of SSB Crack and SSB Crack exams. They have qualified this particular examinations, and we feel very, very happy and elated regarding the success stories of whatever each and every aspirant has mentioned. We feel very, very happy to each and every one of you. Once again, congratulations to all the aspirants who qualified this particular examination. Feel free to post your queries on support@ssbcrackexams.com if in case you have any more doubts, and if in case there are any more queries regarding this particular process and selection procedure. We are always there to guide you. Always stay motivated. Also, I would like to mention in the last that we already have launched our AFCAT courses here. So all of those candidates who are trying to prepare for the next AFSB, for the next AFCAT 1 2021, for them our courses are already live. They are open. So interested candidates, they can please come download our Android app, subscribe to the courses, and start off with your preparation with a very happy smile. Okay, that is it regarding this particular session. I hope each and every one of you have understood what I am trying to say. All the best. Jai Hind.